How to fix TikTok videos not showing to others on Android. This tutorial walks you through getting your videos visible to everyone again. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right to open the menu. At this point, tap on Settings and Privacy. In the next step, tap on Privacy. From there, make sure your account is set to public. If it's showing as private, tap on it and switch it to public. At this stage, let me show you. Go back to Privacy and scroll down to find the video visibility settings. Following this, make sure your videos are set to everyone so they can be seen by all users on TikTok. Once done, go back to your profile and tap on any of your videos. Tap on the three dots and make sure the privacy settings is set to everyone. From here, if your videos are still not showing up to others, it may be because they are currently under review by TikTok. This can take up to 48 hours, so give it some time. Here's an important note. If your videos are being flagged or removed, it may be due to a community guidelines violation. Check your TikTok inbox for any notifications about your content. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix TikTok videos not showing to others, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.